Hey witches, hey everyone, welcome back on my channel. First of all, sorry for the low quality. Both my camera and my phone decided to not work properly today, so I'm filming on my laptop, so I'm sorry if it's like a little ugly. Today's video is quite special. So a couple of weeks ago, I was contacted by a company named Plant of Life who emailed me and asked if I wanted to partner up and review some of their products. Not gonna lie, at first I thought it was a scam because you know, I get contacted all the time on Instagram about people being like, oh, message this account and become an ambassador, only pay for shipping. So I thought it was weird because this has never happened to me. But then I looked up their website, I looked up their Instagram account, and it kind of looked legit, so I went for it. But still, until I received the package, my anxiety was going nuts, kind of going like, oh my god, they're gonna send me something like a dangerous package that I'm gonna have to deliver to such place, and if I don't do it, they'll kidnap my family, kind of thing. I watched too many movies, but the good thing is that they just sent me products, and the other good thing is they're all against anxiety, so Plant of Life is a Canadian company who makes stuff with CBD, basically. It says it was founded with a belief that the true potential of healing lies within the power of plants, which is also something I believe. Our focus is to only source from top quality natural ingredients to harness the effective healing elements of the plants. Plant of Life believes in flowering the lives of people by supporting the pursuit of holistic wellness and by promoting a healthy lifestyle. So here's the package. It came very nicely put, if I shall say. So I opened it before, but this is pretty much what it looked like when I first opened it. It comes with a little pamphlet about the company itself and about their products, and also another one. So they have a little pamphlet about CBD. But quickly, what it is, CBD is like derived from cannabis plants. It's not the part that makes you high, so if you're worried about this, you're fine. If you want to look more into that, I'll link the website obviously down in the description below, so you can have all of the infos that are in there. They even have a collection for pets. So they asked me in the emails like what products I was interested in, and I told them I was interested in the vape pens and this one thing that is called a heel stick. It looks like a deodorant type of thing. And you can just rub it where it hurts and it stops hurting. So they sent me that. They even sent me 3 of the vape pens, like these ones. I was expecting only 1. They sent me 3. They sent me the heel stick, and they also sent me a THC-free organic CBD oil. I guess some of them that they have do have THC. I'm not sure. This one doesn't. I haven't tried everything just yet. I'm really excited to try the heel stick. Honestly, like my shoulders and neck hurt so bad all the time, most of the time. And so I use like what I call a magic bag. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. It's this like bag with rice in it that you just shove in the microwave. It gets hot and then you can put it where it hurts. But it's not always convenient. It's quite big. You can't bring that everywhere. But this you can. So if this works, this is gonna be a lifesaver. I'm very excited about this. What is really cool about these products, they're all organic, cruelty-free, no GMO. It says it's lab tested, they're vegan and paraben-free, so natural and healthy. So far, the only thing that I've tried is this vape pen because I didn't want to spoil the tastes of the other ones. This one is like mint, peppermint. It's more of a regular type of taste, so I tried that one already and I quite liked it. I'm not a vapor person. I've never vaped with a vape pen. I feel like I could definitely use these. The first time that I tried this one, I sort of felt a relief right away. The other times a little less, but I think I just didn't notice because I tried it before going into work. See if it was gonna make me chill, but my job isn't that chill. So I'm gonna try that again. Right now, I'm gonna try the 2 other flavors. They sent me mango, which I I just love everything mango, so I'm very excited about this one. They also sent me blueberry. Now, I'm not a big fan of the artificial flavors of blueberries, and I actually just recently started liking real blueberries, so I don't know if I like this. Maybe, who knows? If not, well, it's gonna be a perfect Christmas gift. Okay, let's try this right now and see on the spot if it can chill me out. First of all, the packaging is also really cute. On these ones it says cruelty-free, natural flavoring, oops, and gluten-free. Love the magic dragon. Ooh, it got foggy. And there's lipstick all over it. What was I thinking? Oh no, it's gonna stain. The taste is really good though. I like it. Lived by the sea. Honestly, I think it works. I'm gonna try the blueberry now. The blueberry now. Frolicked in the autumn mist in a town called Honolulu. Oh, you know what? It's not bad. I kind of like it. Let me try again. Good thing this doesn't get you high, because the aftertaste is good, but the taste coming in, I don't like as much as the mango one and the peppermint one. Peppermint. I think I can't speak. Are you sure this doesn't make you high? No, it's definitely made me more chill. Okay, yeah. Let's try the stick right away. What does the oil do? I guess this is also supposed to make you chill. I'm not really sure. Let me look in the brochure. You guys, I think I'm high. There has to be a placebo. It has to be. A purified oil, best for your everyday needs. Doesn't tell me what it does. I guess this is also like a chill type of thing. Take one serving once or twice per day with food and water. So it looks like this. But I'm gonna wait since I've already used the disposable vape pen. I cannot speak. I can use this now directly on my neck. So let's see. I'm gonna give a final review in a couple of days once I've tried these more than once so that I can actually review this properly. But ooh. So I have like an anti-inflammatory cream and it smells pretty much exactly like that. Let me look at the ingredients. Maybe it's the peppermint. Is that peppermint? So, but that's the good thing with this as well, is that I do have some cream that I can put on my muscles and stuff, but sometimes creams are have a weird texture. The one that I have is a little handmade, but maybe that's why. Like, I put it before going to bed because I don't want to ruin my clothes. Like, this is how kind of oily it is. Yeah, it smells exactly like it. It's a good smell though. It smells quite strongly. However, I don't know if that's the best perfume going into work with this on. It hurts right here. Let's do this. Ooh, it's very smooth. This is a strange video. It just turned really strange. Oh, I can feel it. I can feel it. Oh, there's already hair on it. Is that a cat hair? I think that's like my cat's hair. How? Ooh, I can feel it on my eczema. It burns. But that's a good thing. Not for my eczema, but it's good for the rest. So, okay, I'll see you in a couple of days. I guess. For you, it's gonna be 2 seconds, but for me, it's gonna be several days. The magic of videos, it's like time traveling. All right, so it's been a couple of days, actually well over a week. So here's my final review and conclusion, I guess. So I really enjoyed the mango disposable vape pen. The taste is just I just have to make sure I don't take too much of it because it chills me out to the point where I can't say words. Like, it's already something I do in real life, it just makes it a little worse. But if I stick to like 2 puffs, then I'm good and I'm just chilled out and it tastes good. So I really liked this, and actually this one too, like, but the mango one is. Now, as for the heel stick, I'm gonna start with the con, if it is really a con. It smells, for me, a little too intense to be wearing outside of the house. Like, if I were to apply it and go somewhere, I don't think I would. But you can. It's just me. It smells good though. It just smells like you're a little sick. But it really works. The cool feeling that you feel whenever you apply it lasts forever. Like, well over an hour afterwards, it was still like very intense. So I really enjoyed this. My mom also tried it because she also had pain, and I was like, try this, and she tried it and she also enjoyed it, I think. She used it more than once, so I'm guessing she liked it. Now, as for the THC-free oil, I'm still not sure what it does. Hi, I'm editing and I just suddenly remembered that they sent an email saying what it did. You can count the number of times I said I don't know what it does. I did. So sorry about that. I'm still not sure what I was supposed to experience with this, but I know I've used it for a couple of days in a row, and since I suck at keeping a routine, then I forgot. But for the days that I was using it, I think my mood was a bit lifted. I think I had a better mood overall. I don't know if that's because of that, but that's what I noticed. The other thing I noticed is that it does say store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. And since I didn't want to forget to take it and you have to take it with food, I decided to leave it on the table. But also our dining table is literally in the sunroom. So like the sunniest room in the entire house. I don't know what I was thinking. It sort of turned purple. It's a pretty color, but I don't know if now I can use it still. Or was it always purple? I don't think it was purple when I first took it out. Roll the clip. I don't know if I'm still supposed to take it, but I think I will. Even though it just turned a funny color. I feel like a complete idiot for not following the one rule that's on it. I tried. I really tried. So overall, I think my favorite thing is definitely this one, because I feel like that's the most helpful for me. Oh no, this one is also store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Anyway, so that was my review for these products from the company Plant of Life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely go check them out. The link is gonna be right in the description below, so you can have a look at both their Instagram and the website. And thank you to Plant of Life for contacting me and for having me try these products. I really like them. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you would like me to review anything else. If you have a company yourself, you can send me your products. I will gladly review them. Make sure you like this video if you want me to do some other reviews like this, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. It's always nice. It helps a great deal. I will see you soon with another video, and in the meantime, you can follow me on all of my social medias to see what I do, even though I don't post a lot lately. Thanks for watching. Bye.